Welcome to Story Times. Clark and Clair's Summer Adventure by Squiggly Lines. One sunny morning, Clark and Clair were talking to their parents. Claire said, "I want to see a real castle on summer holiday." Clark said, "No, I want to see crabs on the beach." Mom smiled and said, Okay, let's wear our thinking hats and think. Where can we find both a castle and a beach? After some thinking, they decided to go to Spain. They packed their bags, got in the car, and went on their adventure. On the way, they saw a donkey on the road. "Hee-haw!" laughed Claire. Then they saw a big, beautiful castle shining in the sunlight. When the clock struck 12, everyone felt hungry. Mom said, "Let's stop for a snack." They found a cute little cafe and sat by the brick wall. While eating, Claire noticed a cat and some kittens playing outside. Just then the clock struck 4. Tick-tock, tick-tock. Some Spanish dancers appeared and started dancing with the castanets. Clickety-clack, clickety-clack. And at the end of the day, they went to the beach and saw tiny crabs crawling on the rocks. Everyone had so much fun on their summer holiday. Clickety-clack, tick-tock, what a trip with Clark and Clair. The end.